Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. If you're familiar with my channel, then you will know about my rice water and my natural hair. This is just a story of the original recipe of rice water and where the rice water originated from. So I hope you love this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.
Just imagine what would your hair be if you only cut your hair once in your lifetime. This video is being recorded in a village in which the women who save their long hair for the rest of their life since they are 18. Personally, this is a festival going on in the YAO village in China. When the girls reach adulthood in the YAO village in China, normally 18 years old, they carry on a tradition in which a higher-ranking elder in the village will give the mother of the girl the authority to cut her daughter's hair. That is a very special emotional time in the life of the girl. The mother will cut the girl's hair, and then other ladies, including the girl's mother, will surround her and place the cut hair on her head. In the YAO village, they do not throw away that hair. They use it on their head. This is the only time in their life that they cut their hair. From this moment on, they're gonna grow their hair very long. And then they have 3 styles of hair that they can use in the village. They have a style for a married woman that have kids. They have a style for a woman that is married with no kid. And then they have a style of hair for the woman that is single.
Anything special about the hair washing?
Yes, the hair of the YAO ladies or girls are long, black, and bright. You may see what we use is not the normal shampoos, but we made it ourselves, and that's quite very ordinary in our daily life. We call it the rice water, or the water after washing the rice. You may have a look. They will pour some in the barrel later.
Okay,
Now have a look. Yes, this is the rice water. The rice water. The water after washing the rice, they'll put it in a big barrel and boil them together with some orange skins, and then keep them in a big barrel for about half a month or a month. Then after that, we use them to wash our hair.
so what's the benefits of this water?
This is good for the hair. After washing the hair, it will become very soft, black, and no white hair. Even the very old grandma, in the village, she has no white hair. This way of washing hair has passed down from generations to generation, a long time.
How long has the tradition has been passed down? About hundreds of years, maybe?
Yeah. I think more than 1,000 years.
Thousand years. How long would you usually wash your hair a day?
Not quite oftenly, because it's very hard for us to wash our hairs. Like in the summer, every 3 or 4 days, and in the winter, every a week. Yeah, we wash our hair.
How long would it take if you wash your hair one time?
Yeah, when we, the rice water, we put the rice water on our head, and then we'll keep on the hair for 20 minutes, and then 20 minutes later we wash our hair, in the river.
Oh, in the
Yes.
river.
Yes, in the river.
Those two ladies have the longest hair in the whole YAO village. They've been growing their hair out for 30 years. So when you come to think of it, I hear many natural hair YouTubers say that you should cut your hair every 4 weeks, every 6 weeks. That is very wrong. Once you are taking very good care of your hair, I don't see the need of you cutting your hair every time. If these ladies can grow their hair so long and to not cut their hair, why on earth should we be cutting our hair every 4 to 6 weeks? There are over 300 ladies and girls showing off their long, beautiful hair. They use that river to wash the rice water out of their hair. They got quite long hair, as you can see for yourself. So this style that she is making right now, it shows that she is married and she has kids. And if you look at the end of her hair, it's very thick. That is because when she was 18 years old, the hair that it cut from her head, she also added it to this hair. She also added it to this hair to make it very thick. And then she's going to make the hairstyle that shows that she's married and has kids. So this is the second hairstyle that shows that she is married, but there is no kids. That hair is the hair that it cut off from her head when she was 18 years old. So she's going to add that to her hair to be able to make the hairstyle. The YAO women won the Guinness World Record in 2002 for having the longest hair in the world. This is the third hairstyle. Run at the top and cover. This means she is single. When she is married, then she can open her cover and show her hair out. She cut her hair 2 years ago, and now That's how long her hair is. I hope you enjoyed this documentary behind rice water for hair growth. If you haven't tried rice water, I hope you give it a try, and I pray that you also benefit from it. I love using rice water on my hair, and I will continue to use rice water on my hair. Since I started using rice water, I've experienced a lot of growth, a lot of thickness on my natural hair, and I love it very much. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.